In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Astro A50 to Go XLR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to use your Astro A50 in conjunction with your Go XLR. So even though the Go XLR is designed to be used with primarily XLR microphones, you can still set up and connect your A50. So to do this, use the aux port on the base of the A50. You will need a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. And you will plug one end of the cable into the base, like I mentioned before, on the aux port. And the other one goes into the phone's port on your Go XLR. So by using this cable, you can connect the Astro A50 and the Go XLR together. You can also set up any microphone that you wish using this port, line in, XLR in, whatever you want to do. And the Astro A50 will appear on the Go XLR app. You can control the parameters and all options, and it is going to be usable in conjunction with the software. It is simple to do, and all that you need is a 3.5 to 3.5mm cable. Plug it into the base of the A50. If the base doesn't have the aux port, then sadly this method will not be doable and you will have to look for alternative options. But for the standard A50 model, the base should have a 3.5mm port labeled aux. And once they are connected together, you will be able to listen to everything through the A50 and control it through the Go XLR software. You can set up all of your inputs and outputs together and manage it through your PC. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your Astro headset in conjunction with your Go XLR, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.